This is the OF1010 router, and it's one of the middle children in the Festool Router family. It's smaller than the 1400 and bigger than the 700. The 1010 comes with a 1/4-inch collet, and this green button here locks the collet in place so you can tighten it onto the bits. It comes with a fixed dust port and a dust shroud with a hole in the middle that most bits will fit through. And for times when you've got bits that are bigger than that hole, the top of the dust shroud will pop off to allow you to use those bigger bits. Over here you have a depth post selector and the depth stopper with micro adjustment. The router comes with 3 different base plate insert options. The first one right here has the maximum opening for the biggest bits. The next one is for smaller bits, has more surface area and holes for dust collection. And the last one is this adjustable edge routing attachment, which is used to drastically increase the dust collection of the router when you're doing any routing along the edge of a board by trapping the dust inside this compartment and making it go up into the dust collection. The 1010 also comes with an adapter for the track system, and it just slides into these 2 slots right here and then tightens down with this knob and this knob, and then it'll fit on top of the track. And then to account for the height of the track and to level out the router, you'll push it down against the track, loosen this knob off, push that depth guide down, and then tighten it back up. And then your router is nice and level for making perfectly straight cuts. It also has a variable speed control dial right up here near your thumb so you can adjust the speed on the fly. The 1010 is a really good compact plunge router with all the features, accessories, and adjustability you would want. And it comes at a much lower price than the 1400 or the 2200. And so for woodworkers that don't need the higher horsepower or the larger collets on those 2 routers, and you can get by doing all your work with 1/4-inch bits, then the 1010 is a great option.